instructions for YourName Catering. Go ahead and open the document. Enable editing. And the first thing we're going to do, if right now it's in, if you were to view it multiple pages, there's a little bit on page 3, it's in portrait. So the first thing we're going to do in layout is change it from portrait to landscape. So it's even more pages now. We're going to change the margins. So select margins. The default is normal. We'll choose narrow, which is a 1/2 inch for top, bottom, left, right. So we're back to 3 pages. And then what we're going to do, so I'll go back to 100%, is select everything. Control A. I'm sorry. First thing we're going to do is change it into columns. So the first thing we're going to do is just be at the very top. It'll do everything for us. You don't have to select it, and choose layout. Right now it's in column 1. Everything is one column. And you're going to choose columns 3. So it's split it into 3 columns, which is nice. It just didn't fall properly. So we have the Thai banquet, and then at the bottom Spanish starts. So if you click in front of the Essence sample Spanish, choose breaks and select column break. So it starts it at the top. So the rest fall nicely across the page. Then if you hover down in column 3 at the bottom, catering services is in a new column, and it should be on the next page. So choose breaks and choose page, and it pushes it to the next page. So everything looks nice on the first page with the 3 different menus, and then this will be the cover page. So down at the bottom where it says your name, and you can just put your first name, that's fine, or a catchy name if you have one, and then do it again down here. And then Control End. Control End. And actually, I'm going to have you click where your name starts for the address, and put that to a new column. So choose columns and break column, and it puts it to the middle column. So we're matching the top one. And then we're just going to bring this down probably as close to the bottom as you can. So it's like 22 enters. And you can scroll down to see how much room you have. And that's fine. Now we'll do Control End. So it ends that, and we'll do another column break. And on this one, you want to do a word art with your name. So go ahead and do Insert, Word Art, select anything you like, and you can put your name, catering. And again, in here, you can go to that your text effects, and in that transform, you can change, add a glow to it. You can do whatever you like with your name. It's hard to read, but find something that you're happy with. And if you want to change, this is the fill color, and maybe I'll go with the my recent color, and then the outline, maybe a darker color. And you make it smaller if you want. And then Control End again. You can also choose if you wanted to. Right now it's in front of text, so you can move it easily to anywhere you want with the 4 arrows. And then underneath it, so Control End, and just go underneath the word art. You can add a picture, anything you'd like. Once you've inserted your picture, you can go to Picture Format, and you can select maybe a border if you'd like around the picture. And you can also, if you wanted to change the color of the border, you could do that as well. You can change the effects where you have a shadow on it or a glow. You can also choose the under picture effects. They have different bevels where you can get more of like a frame look, 3D, and there's 3D rotation, but I'm going to keep it there. I just also wanted to share with you with the picture, if you didn't like the choices for the picture styles, you could go into crop and choose crop to shape, and you can change the shape. I'll go with a double wave. You can have that type of picture. So let's look at this as view multiple pages. So if you select all of your text. You can do Control A as well. You can center it, Control E. So it centers all of your text for the menu. And this would be like a brochure that you would fold because you have the 3 columns. And very fancy. There you go. Be creative. You can add a border if you want or page color. Thank you.